मांगूर हिल आणि जुवारीनगर सरकारी इश्कोलाच्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी बुधवारा पुलीस कॅडेट्स प्रोग्रामान वास्को पुलीस स्थानकार भाग घेतलो। नो योर पुलीस बेटर या विषयांतर्गत हा प्रोग्राम जालो। आरटीएक्स गोवा खातीर वास्कोच्यान प्रसाद नाईक।
खरंच तर आजची काय हे पिढी एक आमच्या जी भुरगीं हांगा आयिल्लीं आहा ती मोस्टली म्हणजे जी एरिया जी आहा ती क्रायम जाता त्या जागेवयली भुरगीं चडशीं कळ्ळें। आनी ह्या भुरग्यांक खरेंच तें क्रायमा बद्दल नॉलेज मेळची आनी ती भुरगीं खरेंच सुदारतली अशें म्हाका दिसता, कारण तांकां इन्फॉर्मेशन खूब बरें मेळटलें आनी हे फुडें जे गुन्हे जाता तेंचे एरियेन तेचो ते हे करतले आनी लोकांक समजयतले बाबा अशें करूं नाका तशें करूं नाका, कारण खूब बरें इन्फॉर्मेशन पुलिसांनी आमकां दिल्या। इवन हत्यारांची इन्फॉर्मेशन दिलें, रायफल आनी कितें तेंची रेंज कितली तें सगळें आमकां सांगलेलें हें बरें इन्फॉर्मेशन आहा। आनी गव्हर्मेंट एज्युकेशन डिपार्टमेंटाकूय हांव थँक्यू म्हणटा, कारण तांच्यांनी हो सब्जेक्ट हो इंट्रोड्यूस केला कांय लिमिटेड स्कुलां आनी आज त्या जर आमची दोन अशी स्कुलां आहा, एक मांगूर हिल स्कूल आनी गव्हर्मेंट जुवारीनगर ही भाग्यवान अशें म्हणटा आनी भुरग्यांक खरेंच नॉलेज बरी मेळटा अशें म्हाका दिसता।
We're having an SPC program in the school, only for two schools, Government High School Mangur Hill and Zuwarinagar. So on behalf of that program, we were told to come to the Vasco police station to give out the information regarding how the working of the police station. The police staff has given us good information regarding how they work, the different emanations. And they have given us, students have also got information regarding the traffic cells, all the traffic rules. So this is under their studies. It is coming as a subject for them. Within they are all given those information regarding all the working of different police station functioning. So they have also got how they, what are the rules that they have to follow, and they have been told also that it is not to be kept within themselves, but also go out to the society, to their parents, and inform the various traffic rules and to follow the traffic rules for their safety and the safety of the society.
Police cadet एक प्रोग्राम आसा, so on that government high school Mangur आणि जुवारीनगर हांचे स्टुडंट्सांक आमी like to know your police better, how police functioning is, what is the role of police in society, and how they can be a better citizen, how they can be a friend of police. ह्याच्या बद्दल तांकां बारीकशी म्हायती आहली। तांकां ड्रिल्स म्हणजे सावधान विश्राम मार्चिंग कशें ताजेर एक क्लास आसली, एंड वी मेड देम फेमिलियर विथ आवर आर्म्स एंड एम्युनिशन, सो जस्ट टू गेट एन इंट्रस्ट, एंड देन वी गेव देम अ स्मॉल टॉक ऑन हाउ kidnapping of children are happening in school, and how they should be very vigilant when they are traveling somewhere, not to touch any unattended. So we had a small demo of how someone comes and lures them and takes them away, and तशेंच तांच्या मदेगात एक unidentified item धरून, so which they were not even aware somebody has placed and gone. So this was a small attempt to make them aware of certain things happening, plus general talk on criminals and etc.